What's up everybody, Farmer Q here, and today we're going to be talking about a product that I've been super excited to show y'all for so long now. This product is called Hydretain, and let me tell you, I'm going to give you a few reasons today why I think you should use this product, what it's going to do for you, and how we can make it to be the most effective that we can be. So first, let's ask the question, why do we lose water so fast in dry conditions? Evaporation and capillary action are constantly taking water from our precious roots that we work so hard to deliver that water to. Hydretain uses a patented technology called ecologel that binds directly to the plant's root zone and allows for the humidity in the surrounding environment to be turned directly into water droplets that supplement and feed your plants the water that they need in dry conditions. This process starts as soon as germination takes place if you have seeds in the ground. So let's just say you planted a seed in the ground and you want to make this be good for your plants on the onset. You can apply this upon planting your seeds in the garden. However, if it were me, I would apply it when the plant has been established to a small degree so that the plant's roots can have enough surface area to uptake the product. But like I said, it'll work either way. So how does this product do this, you ask? Well, the ecologel that's attached to the plant's root zone, whenever it uptakes water, it swells to multiple times its size to allow for the plant roots to tap into those swollen globes of water like reservoirs or like ponds, lakes, anything that would be a water supplement, but in a microscopic way for the roots to then access. And the plant's roots are easily able to draw in the water that's taken in from the ecologel itself. So what are some of the benefits outside of benefiting the plants themselves? Well, one of the main key benefits of Hydretain itself is the fact that it's going to facilitate microbial activity in the soil itself because the moisture is going to be around the plant's root zones. So that's going to encourage the microbes and the beneficial bacteria to actually cohabitate in that area and try to really concentrate in those areas, which is going to make your plant roots uptake much more nutrients, especially in an organic situation. So you end up physically creating a condition that's going to encourage the plants themselves to uptake more water, thus uptaking more nutrients and helping the microbes while you do it. And outside of that, you're going to be building up your soil all the while when you use this product. You're going to be building your soil faster as well. And being able to have access to products such as this really creates a great soil conditioning effect for your soil. So when can we expect to see results? Results will be seen almost immediately, within 24 hours even, because if you're dealing with drought-like conditions, you already know that the plants show quickly when they're stressed out in these drought-like conditions. And as soon as you're able to alleviate these conditions, your plant leaves are going to be perked up. You're going to have this nice sheen to your leaves. You're going to have all of these beautiful things that indicate that your plant's receiving the adequate amounts of water that they need to be successful and to thrive, and for you to have the yields and harvest that you are trying to seek in your garden. And another key component in all this is the fact that your roots are going to be stronger than if you did not use this product, because you're going to essentially be applying an area for your roots to get stronger with that water in the surrounding environment. So where can we get this product, you ask? Well, that's easy too. Look at the link below, or you can find a local distributor that's a landscape supply, irrigation supply. Typically they'll have a product like this, but you need to do your research and search for this product specifically and call and see if they'd have it. Other than that, I think it would be easiest to go to the link down below and just order it from there. So the way we apply this product is through our hose end reel. We're gonna take our regular hose head off, and once you take your regular hose head off, you're gonna have this exposed here, and then from here it has an O-ring on the inside. This is what you see with the black piece in the inside there that stops the water from leaking out. But you would just attach your hose here. You want to just thread this onto your water hose here, just like this, and make sure you don't cross thread it. When you're threading it right, it's going to go on nice and easy like that. Give it a nice little twist, then we're set. So on here are two different levers. One says water and one says on. So I'm gonna set it to on so that the product can be coming through it. So this bottle right here is set to water 1,000 square feet, which is, you know, gonna be your typical front yard size or something like that. Maybe a little bit bigger, maybe a little bit lesser. But our garden over here in the backpack here is about 170 to 190 square feet. So we're gonna end up using about 1/5 of this bottle, because if we rounded it up to 200 square feet, we would end up covering, you know, 1/5 of 1,000 square feet. So we're gonna use 1/5 of this bottle. So I'm gonna go ahead and kick the water hose on, and we're just gonna do some application with the product. All we gotta do to get it to water is turn this knob right here from off, because it's set to off right now, and turn it to water or turn it to on. We're gonna turn it to on because we're gonna be using it, so let's do it. I'll go ahead and show y'all how it looks when we turn it though. See, we got action. So that's water, and we can start applying product as soon as we're ready. So we're gonna go over there and start applying. So you can see here, we have a nice stream that comes from the product here. But one thing that you wanna keep note of when you're applying this product is, yes, you're gonna spray your plants with it, but you wanna go ahead and wash the plants off with water after you apply the product, so you can get the product into the soil and get it worked in really nice and good. So right now I'm doing the watering, getting the initial watering down so we can get it into the soil, get it into the root zone of the plants. But like I said, afterwards, we're gonna come through with some supplemental water so we can wash the plants off. And there's like some soapy action going on as I water. You can kind of see some sooty, it looks almost like bubbles when I'm watering it, so you can see that the product's going down. I like the fact that it can reach so far too, because I can get it to all the garden, get it to every part of it. You can apply this, you know, once a month or once every 2 months or so, however you really want to get it down or whatnot. But it's good to apply it when you got like a set of new plants coming in, or there's like dramatic changes to the garden and things like that, because you're going to be able to get the most out of it. I'm going to take it over there and water some of the pots as well though. Just really just give it a nice wash and everything here. So now that we've gotten all of the product down, let's just put our hose in back on the end of it, and then we'll water it in. What we're trying to do when we water it in is really wash it off the plant leaves and into the soil. It's not gonna hurt the plant leaves necessarily, but we're really just trying to get it to be worked into the soil around the plant roots.